Hey there, it's Kyle from Bohannon Roofing, and today I wanted to talk about the topic on everybody's mind, pipe flashings. That's right, pipe flashings, guys. We're going to talk about the different types of pipe flashings that you can install on your roof. Now, there's gradients to it, right? Good, better, best type of thing. Sometimes people, when they do a new roof, they might just reuse the pipe flashing that's up there because it looks okay, looks fine, so they reuse it. And then 2 years later, it's cracking, it's breaking, it's leaking, and you've got to replace it anyway. Then you can just step up from that is a plastic flashing, which holds up okay, but it's just black plastic up on your roof, but it does an okay job. Now, we don't install either. We don't reuse, and we don't do that cheap plastic line. We install two different ways. Standard looks a little something like this. It's got a pre-finished metal base around it, so we can get to complement the color of the shingles you're installing, whether it be black, brown, gray, things like that. We can get the pipe flashing, this base here, to complement the roof. But the problem with all these type of flashings like this, most of these type of flashings, is this gasket here. It's made out of rubber, which rubber does not do too well under the sunlight. So this thing is going to crack, it's going to break, it's going to create leaks 10 to 15 years in. These things, they're not built to last for the life of the roof. So it's going to need to be replaced during the life of your roof. That's why we offer another product that you'll never have to replace. This hefty, this tank of a flashing you see, it's much bigger. Let me get the other one. Let's do a little comparison side by side. As you can see, drastically different in size, and the gauge of metal, it is a much thicker gauge, much heavier. I don't have to do my workout today after lifting this thing. Now, you ask, okay, that's now all nice and good, a little bigger base. The nails are going to be further away from where the shingles are cut, so even lesser chance for leaking around there. But the real benefit comes here in this flashing. This flashing here, instead of like the other was, which is made out of rubber, this is made out of 100% silicone. Yes, silicone, just like my silicone wedding ring here. This silicone will never get damaged by the UV rays like I am right now. I should have worn my sunscreen. It'll never get damaged by the UV rays. They say it lasts upwards of 50 years. Basically, you're never gonna have to replace it. It could last 2 roofs up there. Now you should replace always after any new roof install, might as well. But this should last up to 50 years is what they're rated for. So these are the two style of pipe flashing we use. We use the pre-finished metal, so it's going to complement your roof, but you are going to have to possibly replace it probably 10 to 15 years in. It's going to crack. The rubber around it is going to dry out, stretch, crack, break, and it's going to create a leak. We would do those repairs all the time for people with anything other than this type of pipe flashing. With this one, you're never going to have to worry about getting your pipe flashing replaced, and that's just one less leak potential on your roof. So if you're interested in changing out your pipe flashings to this lifetime pipe flashing with a silicone gasket around it, let us know. Give us a call, 513-425-9711. Or if you're looking for a new roof install and you like these installed, we can do that as well. Again, 513-425-9711. You can call, you can use your thumb to text me, or you can drop a message below this video, and I am happy to help you out and hopefully get you all secured and watertight. So until next time, I look forward to helping you, answering your questions you have. If you do have any questions, just let me know. Drop a comment below, and I'm happy to answer that question in another video or just whatever, private chat, whatever it may be. Thank you very much. I look forward to helping you guys again very soon. Give me a call, give me a text, and I'll be happy to help very soon. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.